Hey guys, Spencer with Z1. Today we're taking a look at our R Pro Diff. This is our newest upgrade in the final drive lineup that we have. If you're not familiar with us, we do have quite the range of upgrades available to tune your Z or G. This offers quite a significant upgrade over a factory viscous LSD or the factory open LSD. You can get your car dialed in really for many use cases, whether it's something that's ideal for street canyon carving, a little bit of track, or a little more shifted towards the performance side. We now have coverage for all of those lanes for usage. One of our most popular ways to achieve that is our ultimate diff build upgrades, which we've offered for years. That's complete service. You basically fill out the form through the options online, submit your order. Our team will either await your core to arrive, or they'll go ahead and build one from one of our cores, ship it out to you. You do the install, send us back your core safely. We refund the core charge, and you are on your way. Very easy, and we build a lot of diffs every year. So something that's very familiar with us. Some shops you're gonna find do much of this, and they're very comfortable to do it, but you're also gonna find that oftentimes many shops don't do it. If you're a healthy DIYer, or you've got a buddy, best friend, or shop of your preference that you want to do the assembly, we now offer the Ultimate Diff Upgrade Parts Kit. So similar to a full build, you can grab the ratio of your choice, the diff of your choice, fluid of your choice. You can get the correct parts for install, and we're gonna make optional whether you may already have a diff cover or bushings. We'll make it an optional in that kit as well. So be sure to check the site, make sure that you're on your model specific options so you get the correct stubs if we're shopping for that, and you'll be good to go on your way. If you see something on the site that is packaged like this and you're not confident what you're on page is what you need for your vehicle, just reach out to our team. We're here, we're happy to support and help you achieve your goals without having to experiment with your wallet. All right guys, you need this or anything else for your ZG, Q, Nissan, or Infiniti, be sure to check the site or hit us up.